This is a video tutorial for the Roam MTB Online Editor. The main thing to keep in mind when using the online editor is that trails are made up of segments. A trail can have more than one segment. A segment can belong to more than one trail. To add a new trail, click on the Trails button, then click the Add Trail button. Give the trail a name, then click on Segments to add them to the new trail. Click on a highlighted segment to remove it. Click the Submit button when you're done. There are two ways to get to the edit options of a trail. You can click on a segment and see which trails it belongs to, or you can click on the Trails button to show a list of all trails. Scroll down to the Segments list and click Edit Segments. Now you can click on a segment to add it, or click on a highlighted segment to remove it. Click on the Save Segments button when you're done. There are two ways to get to the edit options of a segment. The easiest way is to just click on the segment you want to edit, or you can click on the Segments button to show a list of all segments. Click on the Edit Details button and update the segment details as needed. Click Update when you're done. Segments can be split into two. To do this, go to the edit options of the segment you want to split and click on the Split button. Now click on the segment at the point where you want to split it. Splitting a segment twice allows you to give separate difficulty ratings to certain sections of a trail. You can manually edit the points of a segment. To do this, go to the Edit options of a segment and click on the Edit Points button. You can now click and drag each point of the segment. The white dots move a point. The faded white dots add a new point. You can use satellite imagery to help see where a segment needs to go. Right-clicking on a white dot removes that point. Click on the Save button when you're done. If you have trail data saved in a GPX file, you can upload the GPX file to the online editor. To do this, click on the Add Data button. Select the file you want to upload. and click on the Upload button. When the upload is complete, the uploaded data will be shown on the map. Click on the Add button to add the uploaded data. You can use the split segment function to cut away any unwanted parts of the uploaded data. Delete any unwanted segments. And update the new segment details. Now update the details of the trail that uses the new segment. If you have a missing segment and no GPX data to upload, you can manually draw a new segment. To do this, click on the Add Data button, then click on Draw Segment. You can use satellite imagery to help see where the new segment needs to go. To start drawing, just click on the map to add the first point. Keep clicking on the map to add more points. Double-click on the last point of the segment. Set the details of the drawn segment. Every segment must belong to at least one trail, so add the newly drawn segment to a trail. As you make changes on the online editor, none of the changes will be visible on the Roam MTB website or Roam MTB applications until the changes have been published. It is a good idea to preview the changes before publishing them. To do this, click on the Preview button. The Roam MTB website and applications only show complete trails. It does not show the segments a trail is made up of. Make sure everything looks correct before publishing the changes. If you make a mistake, you can always revert back to the last published version by clicking on the Discard Changes button.